All right, let's grab your overripe bananas and let's make some sourdough banana bread. In a mixing bowl, combine overripe bananas, brown sugar, and vanilla. Mash this together roughly. Add your sourdough discard or starter. Mix together till smooth. Next, add sifted bread flour, baking soda, salt, and mixed spice into the bowl. Fold the mixture together gently till smooth. Finally, add milk, eggs, vinegar, and oil. Grab your whisk and mix till your batter is a smooth liquid. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Divide your batter into 3 mini baking pans. For variety, you can add your favorite toppings such as banana, walnut, or chocolate chips. Bake your loaves for 30 to 40 minutes till golden brown. To check if it's done, insert a skewer and make sure that it comes out clean. Unmold the bread gently and allow to cool.